Good day all, I am Namazbek. I am teaching assistant on course Introduction to Machine Learning. So let's dive into machine learning weeks, first and second recap. Welcome to the machine learning course recap. In this presentation, I will show what I did in first and second week and key highlights of week 1 and the second. So week 1, we getting organized with Irnar Ahmedbek. So understanding the course goals and objectives, and we created a roadmap to the full course and installing necessary tools and platforms like Anaconda, Jupyter Notebooks, and I also know teacher assistant role. So avoiding installation hardless, installing Anaconda, but I recommended to the students installing about PyCharm, JetBrains, because JetBrains makes the best products and it's comfortable for use. Jupyter Notebook you can install inside the PyCharm and it's easy. Exploring Jupyter Notebook, the interactive coding environment, launch Jupyter Notebook and create new files and a visualization experiment with code. So let me show data visualization tools, libraries. We covered the following concepts: matplotlib, all plots, and 3D visualization, graphical representation, Python libraries like matplotlib, numpy, and the Seaborn, and getting experiments with code. My support system and ask questions, get guidance, connect and collaborate with students. This is my role. Here I come. Week 2, machine learning and the fundamentals. We just covered just theories, supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and the reinforcement learning, algorithms, and just overviewed. And third week, we will hands-on lab practice and assignments, and we will work with code experiment. So thank you for watching. Wish me luck and enjoy the journey.